Hi, I'm Greg Mergen, and I want to thank you for taking the time to join us today for this live demo. I hope you find the session informative and well worth your time. Back in March, our number one priority was to ensure our employees' safety while also committing to help our customers and partners however we could. These past few months, well, they haven't been easy on any of us, but we remain deeply committed and connected to our customers and communities, which is the theme of our show this year. In short, we're here for you. I'm proud of what our team has assembled at this year's virtual event. I can't wait to share with you about our best-in-class packaging technologies. Our ProBlue Flex melter, released at last year's Pack Expo show in Las Vegas, has truly caused a splash and revolutionized the industry. I encourage you to learn more about our IoT-enabling BBCon controls, which allow our equipment to easily communicate with parent machines and other devices. I also encourage you to learn more information on new ways Nordson can help you save on overall operating costs and other technology advancements from Nordson. Our team is here to assist you within the chat feature through Pack Expo Connects, or you can always reach us online at nordsonadhesives.com. Who's ready to learn about Nordson? Right about now, just sit back and enjoy the presentation. Once again, thank you, and I hope you and your families continue to remain safe. I look forward to seeing each of you face to face at next year's event.
Hi, my name is Ron Ramspeck, Product Manager for the ProBlue Flex. I am presenting today from Johns Creek, Georgia. Thank you for attending Pack Expo Connects. Our customers have been enjoying all the benefits of the ProBlue melter for many years. But after an extremely successful history, it's time for an upgrade. ProBlue Flex was launched at Pack Expo 2019 and is quickly becoming the new industry standard. My goal in the next 15 minutes is to highlight some of the major benefits of the Flex for our end users. We will go into more detail later in the presentation, but some of the most important characteristics of the Flex for our customers are: it's a direct replacement for ProBlue melters, maximize uptime with melt-on demand and process control, is configurable so you get the right product for the right application, high degree of connectivity, it's IoT ready through the BBCon control platform. It's upgradable to meet your future requirements, and lots of new safety features such as a complete touch-safe enclosure. ProBlue Flex is a drop-in replacement for ProBlue melters. It bolts in the place where a ProBlue does, same center manifold so hose lengths don't change, same hose and applicators as well. This means if you want to, you can just recap the melter. The ProBlue Flex incorporates a lot of features to improve your processes. It's all about putting the right amount of adhesive down in the right place consistently. The ProBlue Flex has auto-tune PIDs, so regardless of your applicator size, you get accurate temperature control. We also have integrated pressure run-up, so regardless of your line speed, you get the same amount of add-on to your product. And with a TrueFlow adhesive tracking system, you can measure the amount of add-on to your product to ensure that your process is in control. This ensures you're using the right amount of adhesive, not too little where you get pop opens, and not too much where you're wasting money. More importantly, it minimizes dreaded machine jams and unwanted downtime, or even worse, scrap, rework, or return shipments. Melt-on demand allows you to store the adhesive cold in granule form in the adhesive storage container. Melt what you need when you need it. The melt-on demand system minimizes char and unwanted downtime from clogged nozzles. It keeps your operators away from any exposure to hot melt or the potential for them to tweak the controls. The system features our proprietary state-of-the-art capacitance sensor and smart melt. When production has stopped, the grid temperature drops, but you don't lose system ready. This keeps the adhesive from degrading. The ProBlue Flex is a fully configurable product. The configuration code is really meant to give the customer the product they want. The other point is that you can decide to have a fully loaded melter up front or seamlessly upgrade at a later point in time. so you get the features that you need when you need them. The upgrades add the features and looks just like from the factory. There is no difference. We will quickly go through the configuration codes. However, please speak to your account manager for greater explanation. So we have the Melter series, which is either the 240 volt VAC or 480 volt VAC. The 480 volt VAC, you order the transformer separately. The melt section, that can be melt on demand or tank. We cover all the same sizes that ProBlue has, but also with the MOD versions, we have a 21 kilogram per hour and a 28 kilogram per hour. With MOD, not only do you benefit from char management and all the benefits of autofill, but the chassis for the MOD versions are smaller than those of the equivalent tank versions. We offer a wide variety of piston pumps. Finally, you can put any pump into any size melter. For example, there are many applications that require a high instantaneous delivery rate, even though the average usage is low. Therefore, you can select the high output pump, even in a small tank size melter. For pressure management, I strongly recommend the P3 optional electronic pressure adjust. In addition, with the electronic pressure adjust, the customer can lock out the ability to change the pressure. This is really one of the main issues that customers today, operators adjusting pressure, wasting adhesive, and potentially increasing open time and pop opens that lead to machine jams. For the user interface, we'll go into more detail a little bit later in the presentation. And for I/O, it's remote inputs and outputs. PPU stands for Product Performance Upgrades. The TrueFlow ATS has just been released. I strongly encourage you to watch Kenneth Jones' superb presentation on TrueFlow measuring family. Some people even will probably want to watch that twice. In the future, we'll add other PPUs, including a high-performance version of ATS. Hose applicators. So at a melter, we have up to 6 with an additional 4-channel possible with the expansion bases. In warm-up, we have the legacy like ProBlue or a fast warm-up. I strongly recommend the fast warm-up to maximize uptime. Accessories are ordered separately and installed in your plant. Some examples include the safe pressure relief to meet performance level C safety rating, fill systems for tank melters, a remote touchscreen, and we also have a remote output card used primarily to drive a light tower. And a note on safety. We have taken the ProBlue Flex to a new level with the following features. 1, it's completely touch safe. Now it has even a manifold guard with insulation. The Safe Pressure Relief Kit meets ISO 13849-1 Performance Level C, and the melter has been designed to meet UL. So we will be able to mark that in the near future. Now we'll go to a few examples of the easy and seamless upgrades. Since most customers will eventually add a fill system to their melter, we put most of the electronics up front into the controls already. Therefore, adding the fill is as easy as upgrading the lid and a few extra components. For flow measuring, it's as simple as a quick external swap of the head of the manifold and adding a fill board to the electronic enclosure, and then wiring up the sensors. It's that simple. In upgrading the pressure management to the electronic pressure adjust, all you do is you swap the trays out. Super simple. And all these upgrades, it looks just like from the factory. Now we'll go into the user interfaces. For most customers, we have a 4-line text-based organic LED interface. This comes in many languages. If you want to add a touchscreen, you can buy the OEM user interface if you wanted to and buy the touchscreen, or you could have the OLED interface and a touchscreen as well. And we also have a web server that can be accessed via the laptop, smart device, or touchscreen. Scott Means goes extensively into the bbcon cloud, so I'll just say it's a great tool that will make your life a whole lot easier. It's also a one-stop shop for any kind of tech support like manuals, brochures, technical support, or even saving system data. If you have not used the bbcon cloud yet, then ask your account manager for a demo. The only thing better than our products are our people, and that says a lot about them. Our global team is here to help and support you. Thank you for attending the presentation.